All right, AP Lit for Thursday the 23rd. We're going to keep this short and sweet. Okay, so your previous assignment was to choose one of those waiters and apply your analysis to why they felt the way they did about the old man in the cafe. Okay, so focus for today, we're just setting up an exploration. All right, if we were to write something. Okay, no essay, just the setup. All right, so again, on the exam, in order to get, a possible 4 or 5, we need to be able to apply 2 foci or literary elements or literary devices, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so I provided a couple possible foci you could use here. So obviously character motivations and perspective. You already did that in your essay. Okay, if you just want to transfer that over, that's cool. If you want to focus on the setting, okay, obviously a clean, well-lighted place. I mean, the title just begs for you to discuss what's important about that setting. Okay, think about that. All right. Symbols, again, it could be the drinks. It could be the place. Maybe it's the waiters. That would be kind of an interesting take on this story. The relationships, either the waiters and the old man, or the waiters between themselves. Okay, and then obviously contrast. So you already did that as well for Tuesday's assignment. So hopefully this shouldn't be much more work. Okay, like I said, I talked to Mr. Edwards last week, or maybe the week before, whenever it was. And we need to chill out on all the assessments. So I'm trying to make them as easy as I can, but not be too lax here. We just need to write. Hopefully this is just good training for the exam. Okay, again, I'm blown away by the quality of work that I'm getting. It's great. Okay, it's great. You guys did an awesome job last week on those comparisons between all the ladies we've met. I really could not be happier with what I was seeing there. You guys did just an excellent job. So keep up the good work. Okay, so for this one, gosh darn it, it just needs to, again, set it up nice and clean for me, please. Make sure everything's kind of labeled. So your foci, 2 pieces of evidence for each of those, so a total of 4. And please write out the whole quote for me, please. And then come up with a thesis and just write it 2 different ways. All right, that's all I need for this week. Okay, so next week, the last 2 stories we're going to do, I've pulled right from the exam. Okay, some from previous exams. And I'm not going to lie, they're tough. Okay, so hopefully I can set them up in a way that'll help ease that a little bit. All right, see you guys.